Don't act like y'all don't have crystals, okay? What happened to this garment had me so shook that I had to bring my crystals down here with me. Yes, I love my crystals. Anyway, down in the front, I'm just gonna cut this off, and it's going to be a toga style, a one sleeve, bandeau type of dress situation. And I'm trying to use this to try to figure out like how to get the angle right. I am a fan of this ruler, usually. This situation calls for a slightly different approach, hence the crystals. For those of you who don't know what this is, and this is textile yarn, otherwise known as PREVAEL So Easy yarn. I use this t-shirt yarn for other projects usually. Not only am I using the t-shirt yarn to get this curve right, but I'm also going to incorporate it into the ultimate style of the dress, okay? It's just easier to work with, like already. Yes, thank you, goodness. I wanna make sure that I leave room for the seam allowance. Did y'all think I was playing when I said PREVAEL was different and unique? Oh yes, the resilient lifestyle brand indeed. I really do enjoy what I do. I make the most out of it. And try to incorporate as many aspects that have meaning to me in my life into what I do. It's not about the clout for me. I do it because I love it. And that's with any profession. See how much easier this is to work with than this hard plastic and flexible. Yeah. Visually, I'm sure it's much more appealing as well as we cut. I can always cut, trim off more fabric if I need to. I'm not cutting anything here because this sleeve is good. This is the sleeve that has the unintended consequences of this pattern on it. I bet you never seen anyone design their clothes like this before using crystals and stones, gemstones. Perfect mistake. Like this one is pencil. Oh my gosh. Staying overly generous, allowing enough excess fabric to remain, just in case, because the emblem is on the fly. Now we're ready to cut. Alright, so there we have it. Cut out that sleeve with the treachery on it, and here's what we have.